What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You already know it's Jerry. You're watching Where's Garage, and today you tell by the title, yes, I got a Corksport carbon fiber wing. I've been wanting this nether part that I've been wanting. I ordered it a while ago, but then I canceled it, and I think that's I ordered it a while ago, and then I canceled it to get the Corksport steering wheel. So that's why I haven't got that earlier, but now I got it now. So I'll make a video on me putting that on and showing you guys the wing, and then yeah, get this video going of installing and putting it on. You guys know I have the Project Motorsport extension wing, so I'm not going. I don't know. We see. I'll get everything off because I have to heat up a little bit to take the wing off, because there's 3M tape on there, and I'll try to take it off earlier, but it's on there pretty good, so I might heat it up a little bit. I don't know, maybe I'll put the wing on, then I'll heat it up, take the stitching off, put it on, then I'll show you guys at the end of the video with everything on. But till then, let's get to the video and let's open this box up. So here's the box right here. Corksport wing. Just showing you about the carbon fiber. But this is it right here. I already opened the box. I just want to get it going. This is it right here. So I'm gonna set you guys down and get the paper off and get it going. So into I look in the box, they give you 3M tape and new hardware to put the wing on. So again, like I said, I'm gonna open this up, show you guys, and get to the video of putting it on. The wing looks so good, so I'm gonna do a little cinematic of the wing. Let's go. So here's the wing right here, the Corksport carbon fiber wing. Of course, they probably look so good. Look at that, so clean, so nice. Let's show you guys with the hood. Nice. This is good hood right here. So yeah, so I'll put this down, and we'll start taking off the stock wing. So I'm gonna put you guys down and show you guys what to do to take off the wing. All right, so I already did it, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So to take off the wing, if you guys don't know, so there's these caps that goes right here. There's one right here. There's one right there. That's if you guys have it. If you don't have it, then you don't have it. So you take those off, and there's a 10 right here and a 10 right here. And once you take that off, so you take the cover off, which is this cover right here. It just pops off. Pop that off, and look, you will see this. So there's two 10s right here. There's a deep socket 10. There's one right here. There's one right there. And once you get that off, you unplug. It goes right here. you unplug it like that, and voila. Once you do that, put your hood down, or your trunk, hatch, whatever you want to call it, and it comes right out like that. So this is where I'm changing the wing to, because you guys can see clear coat, it's peeling. So that's why one reason why I took it off to replace it with the carbon fiber. And I think this, let's see, yeah, there's a Phillip head right there. This you take off to put on to the wing. I'm gonna sand this, well, not today, but later on I'm gonna sand this down and repaint it. Either paint it, I was just saying paint it the same color, because I can get this like a little bottle of the paint. Or there's this company I know, you can look up get your color code off your car, look it up, and they got actually spray cans of the color of your car. So I'll probably do that with some clear coat and paint that, fix that part. But wing, that's gonna go in the garage. So let me get a Phillips screwdriver and I'll get back to you guys. So I have the wing right here. So there's 4 Phillips. So the one I showed you goes around right here. There's one right here. Mine's all brittle and stuff, so it doesn't peel off. But maybe if yours newer, these peel off down, or just poke a hole like I did, because mine's brittle. But there's Phillips inside here and right here. And once you take up those 4 Phillips, this can just pull right off. And that's how you take that off. So now you just switch over this to carbon fiber. So I'm about to move this out the way and get the carbon fiber right here. Carbon fiber wing, so let's get to it. All right, so I have the carbon fiber one right here. You see it right here. So I have the attachment. So you just set it on, it fits through, you just set it down. All right, so the look like we won't be using the Phillips screws, because they don't fit in any of the holes. So look up instructions on the website, because it says to look them up on the website, because they have the paper that comes with it. So that 3M tape is for, you're gonna be putting them around this, like around here. So around like this, more right here. I think they say right here. I'll look on it again, then I'll put it on and I'll show you guys what it is. Then there's the bolts that come with it, you put them in a certain area, because there's certain areas you can put those, like put that on. It tells you to how to put that on with the wing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get to that. And I think it says take this off too. Probably take this off, the clips, but yeah. So I'm gonna look at instructions, do that with the 3M tape, and get back to you guys. All right, so that's how you supposed to have it with little 3M tape you get. You put it, so you will see is like a little carbon fiber piece right here, go across right there. Then there's a carbon fiber piece that goes right here. Then the black part that goes down, like the same color as this. It goes down like that. Same with this side. So that's how you do it. You do it like that. Then next step is you, I gotta see what bolts goes to where. It says certain bolts, 2 of them goes like a thing on the wing, then 2 goes on here. So I gotta figure which one those are, then I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, I am back. So the way how this goes, so I showed you the tape goes like this, or around like that. Same with that side. So the bolts that they give you, because there's no studs coming down like how the stock one is. That's why they give you these. So they give you 4 of them. So one goes right here, one, and the other right there. Another 2. First, of course, you take this off, and that side too. For this side, you take the red part off the tape so you can stick, and so you stick them down when you put it on back on the car, and you get these, and you do it from this. Put the bolts inside here to keep it down. So that's how you do it. So I'm gonna do that, take this tape off with the red part so I can stick. Then I'm gonna put the spoiler on. But first, before I do that, I'm going to wipe down right here, wipe this down, get it nice and clean, and put it on. So I'm gonna do that and get back to you guys. So there it is, guys. It's on there good. It's not going nowhere. Look at that, it's stable. Ain't going anywhere. So yeah, like I said, so you put the bolts where I showed you guys, then the other two you put it from in there when we have the hold on, I'll show you guys right now. Be more better. So like I showed you, put the ones that I showed you, it's in was cover on, but the ones that goes right here, you put the other two right here and right there. Then when you tighten those down, the wing will go down, and you see the stick, it will go, and it'll make itself. When I felt that, I felt it go and pretty much clamp himself down. But yeah, guys, that's it. Just give you guys a little look up. Alright, so that's how you guys put it on. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm about to clean up this mess, put the boxes and throw them away. And then I'm gonna get my heat gun and I'm gonna hit up the Project Motorsport wing, and I have the new 3M tape in the car. So I'm gonna take that off, clean everything up, and I'm gonna put it on the carbon fiber wing and show you guys that too when it's on there. So let me do all that and get back to you guys. So there you go, guys. Have the wing extension on. It looks like took time to get that tape off, but got it. I noticed back here this back here is peeling off, but I have a thing at work that will fix this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat this up. I have this strong glue that I can just put back in there and just hold it, and it'll stay in place. So I will do that once I get to work. It's coming off right here too a little bit, but right here at the end. But like I said, I can fix that from at work. I have this strong glue, but it looks nice. There's the wing, guys. A little bit dirty because I was touching it, but it's on there. This is the weave bottom here. And again, like I said, I'm gonna sand this down and repaint this so it can look even more nice. Plan on getting a new paint job. I don't know. I'm still thinking about doing either the same color of my car or the new Mazda red color. I'm really looking for the new Mazda color. Yeah, sorry, the car is a little bit dirty, but yeah, there you go. Let's go. That's how you install the wing. The carbon fiber hood. Let's work. The raised hood. There you go. And there you go, guys. That's how you install the Corksport carbon fiber wing. Hope you guys liked the video. I got something else coming, so stay tuned to that. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you guys know when I post a video. It comes up on your phone or computer. I don't know. It will come up and let you know I put a new video out. But yeah, comment at the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about the video and what you think about the wing. Till then, thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a good night. I'm about to take a shower and sip on some drink and just relax. So I see you guys in the next video. Later.